Hello, my name is William Spalding and I am a maths tutor at the English Academy. Today I will be going through dividing whole numbers by 10 and 100. We usually teach this to age groups of above year 5. I'll just be breaking it down and going through how to do it. So, when we see the numbers on the left that we are dividing into tens, we see them like this. 820.0, which can go on forever. We divide that by 10, and however many zeros there are, we move the decimal place once to the left for 1 0, 2 to the left if there are 2 zeros, so if we're dividing by 100. But in this case, there's only one. So 820.0 divided by 10 would equal 82.0, also known as just 82. 4,320 divided by 10, well, we know that there's always a decimal place after a number, it's just 0.0, which has no value. We divide that by 10, that equals, how many zeros are there in 10? 1. Move the decimal place once to the left. 432. Now, this is where it gets a bit tricky. We see 54,781, or 54,781.0 divided by 10. Now there's 1 0, so we move the decimal place once to the left, so it belongs here now. But that doesn't give us a whole number, it gives us a decimal now. 5,478.1, which is a decimal, which isn't a full number. So now we have the hang of that, we're going to look at dividing by 100. 4,200 divided by 100. 4,200.0 divided by 100. How many zeros in 100? 2. Which means the decimal place goes back 2 times. So it's 42, being the answer. We do the same thing for 63,200 divided by 100. Decimal place is 0, move it back twice. Now it is 632. With this one we have the same issue as before, where it will become a decimal. 70,440.0 divided by 100. Move the decimal twice. Now it becomes 704.4. This can work for thousands, tens of thousands. As long as it has a 1 and zeros in, this is the method to use. Thank you for listening.